Now that you've clicked the link, it should take you to this page right here, the AmGov 2019-2020 6th edition by Lasco and Baker. This is the book that you want, the AmGov book. This is the picture that should be up on your screen. When you go to purchase options, whether you click purchase options right here or you page down, you will see purchase options, print ebook, digital, and bundles. What you want to do is click digital. Digital is the only one that gives you access not only to Connect, but it gives you access to the ebook, all of the videos, homework assignments, and so on and so forth, including the quizzes and exams that I've created. So what you're going to do is you will click here where it asks you to purchase and buy now. I've already clicked that, and it says that it's in cart. You will then go to your cart at the top of the page, click on that, view your cart. You'll see the book is there. And this is what your site should look like. You will go to checkout. And then you will continue from there by logging in and creating your own account by putting in an email address as well. Now, if you are having trouble with this aspect of the McGraw-Hill site, the key then is to click on where it says Get Tech Support down here and follow the instructions of who to contact from that site. And there's all the information you need to know with the McGraw-Hill support. But once again, on the sign-in page, you will just type in your email address, continue, and purchase your item. This is what your cart should look like.